Welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to easily fill in blanks on your iPhone. So iPhone 26, iOS 26 presented the preview application that you can open, and you can open any document using it. And now if you want to fill in the blanks in your document, you can use this icon right here, which allows you to do that right on your page without the needing of printing it or using a PDF file in your computer. You can also add a signature by clicking in the signature field on your document and then add a new signature. Click OK. And that's how it works. If you can see, it looks pretty clear. You can also have several signatures. For example, if you need to use different signatures on one document, you can tap plus and then draw a new signature. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.